YouTube. Welcome to Grapes Academy. Today we will learn our fourth tutorial of HTML. Today I will tell you some basic tags of HTML. So let's get started. So first start with the tag paragraph tag p tag. Here you can write hello YouTube. Here I control save it and go to tags. See, when we write when we have to write anything in paragraph, like any definitions, anything like hello YouTube, welcome to Grapes Academy. Okay, like this. Okay, our next tag is bold tag. I will tell you in this only. Okay, bold tag is not just b tag. We have to close it. B. Okay, this is bold tag. C. Grapes Academy is in very bold tag. Okay, our next tag is quote tag. Like when we have to write programming in our website code, like HTML. Oh, sorry. Here we will write this also. See the difference. Hello, HTML and YouTube. See how the HTML is represented. Like we can do anything. Break this. Okay. Now we will learn next tag is break tag. Like we write a line. Hello YouTube. Welcome to. So hello YouTube. Welcome. So when I give in here br tag, see hello YouTube is on line, but welcome tag is on next line. So this is our break tag. Our next tag is mark tag. Mark tag is used for highlighting something. You see, 1 minute. See, when we have to highlight anything in the website, like this hello YouTube in yellow color. Okay, next tag is our strong tag. When we have to give information in the website. Information in the okay. See, this is a strong tag. Okay, now I will tell you sub tag and sub tag. Sub tag is used for like powers, footer powers. Like I write here 5 and sub is 2. So we will write 5. See, after website 5, footer 2. Okay, like if we want to write power of something, so sup 2. See, 5 raised to 2 and 5 footer 2. Okay, our next tag is address tag. Address tag. When we have when we write address in the tag. Like when we create footers in our further videos, we give here their address tag like grapes academy India. See the difference. 1 minute, I think spelling mistake is there. Yes, yes, yes. A double D. See the difference. Grapes Academy India. Okay. Our next tag is blockquote. Blockquote. My pronunciation is quite. You can say anything into it. I will. When we take the source code from any another source website, like we take the code from different website, but we used in our website, so we give here site equal to link of the site from where we get this code. So I will tell like www.grapesacademy. Then no copyright will be come to our content. Like where we tell a welcome to Grapes Academy. Okay. See, see here the margin from right. Okay, our next tag is every right. A double B R. Here we will give tag title, so grapes. Okay, like YouTube channel. When we go with the cursor on YouTube, it will show grapes academy. This is the use of a double br tag. Okay, so our next tag is em tag. Like when we make a sentence website, there we use em tags like you should watch this tutorial. She See the should here. Okay, this is the difference. So that's the end of today video. Tomorrow we will learn more tags in HTML. Okay, so thank you. Have a good day.